Kerry, how do you feel about car show videos?
They're terrible. No one wants to watch a car show.
Everybody else feels the same way.
Don't overlay it with music.
I'm sorry, are you Kerry?
You're wasting megabytes, I think. Kilobytes, terabytes. You're just wasting.
Boy, this guy.
Nobody's gonna watch it.
Okay, we're taking a break from Tetanus, the Fox body, because it is Texoma F100 Roundup time. In true Mugg Customs fashion, I'm going to cut the back of the Bronco out and build some inner rear fender welds for it. And then we're going to road trip this beast to the show, hopefully not break down. Turns out we're going to prove Kerry wrong and create a car show video for the first time ever that people want to watch.
Go ahead, continue.
I was going to say the only way that might possibly be entertaining is if you had a really hot girl asking really dumb questions.
Hello, cancel culture.
So why inner fender wells? Why now? The reality of it is the wheels and tires on this thing, if you go into a ditch or you fully extend or compress the suspension in the rear, the inner top of the wheel and tire do rub. That's something I need to fix now because the future of the BroncoVic, reality of it is it's probably going to get sold, and this is not something I want somebody else to have to deal with. I'm not going to spend a super amount of time on this, but I want to try to make them the best I can for the small amount of time I do have. Should probably measure this. So this is the bend mark. I'll bend it here, but I think I want to put a bead roll in it or something to give it a little strength here. And I'll need to do all this while it's still flat. Like you don't want to, what I've learned doing this, filming it, is you don't want to do your bend till after your rolls are made. Look at us, just getting smarter all the time. Like eventually, by the time this is over with, I'll know how to do it. It'll be about there. I think it'll be just fine. Let's get in here and mark where I need to cut out what's rubbing. Okay, so real quick, Sparks etch glass. Okay, I've heard you. I don't care. I've never cared. I'll probably never care unless I'm building a customer's car. If this is something that bothers you, this probably isn't the channel for you. With the exception of hitting the fast forward button, there's no real fast way to build these. I'll have to hand fit both pieces on both sides because the reality of it is they're not identical. They've just got to look identical. I don't even take time to measure them because it doesn't matter. I've got to do each one by hand. It's a fun process. It's cool. I suggest if you ever thought about doing this to just buy one of these stretchers and shrinkers. The amount of things you can do with them, I'm not even scratching the tip of the surface on what they can do. But for me, like a lot of things, I can do it just good enough to get the end game. You know, my thought process on that front is, you know, if you do it enough, you're going to get better. Repetition, you're going to be better. Instead of practicing on metal, let's just build vehicles as the practice, and let's get better that way. Quarter off of both of these. Reggae. So a lot of just cutting, measuring, fitting it, taking it back off, cutting it, measuring it, fitting it, taking it back off, all the things. It's kind of, I don't know. It's fun. It's fun when you do it. I don't understand it because when you watch somebody do it, it's boring as hell. Okay, so I got these things spotted in. I tried to use the TIG torch. Actually, I did use it, and then I just defaulted to the MIG welder because I was running out of time. In the MIG process, it's a lot more forgiving when your materials are not perfectly clean. So I've got some sound deadener that I found. I've put on it, and then I found the last of the spray paint I used when I painted the rear interior pieces the first time. As far as what I did between the gap of the new fender wells and the panel, that's just the original panels I built the first time around. I just cut the width of them and tacked them back in. Today's roundup day. Of course, I'm late. So, of course, we weren't going to take anything. We were going to go and just have fun. And you've been here, what, 20 minutes? Ish. Yeah, 20 minutes just, and we've loaded everything that we possibly have.
Good job of describing who you were, evidently.
Yeah. Oh, hey Jeff, how's it going?
Hey Lane, good. How you doing today?
Good to see you today.
Good
David's
seeing you.
back. Been gone for what? A year?
It's been about a
year.
good year.
This is Craig's truck from F100 World. Pretty cool rig.
This truck's from Missouri.
Super cool, super cool.
And I know this. I know all you do is win, but
So Kerry says I can't make a car show video that's fun to watch. Isn't that what he said?
he did say that. I feel like we need
So I'm gonna need everyone.
like cartwheels.
Everyone that's possibly even considering watching this video to please share it with somebody else and like it at an elite level. I want this to be the greatest video that Mugg Custom. I don't even care if you watch it. Just click on it, let it play in the background.
He's gonna make the car show video of all videos.
And 2 people will watch it.
See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about?
Well,
Jerk. Absolute jerk.
did 2 people watch it last time? I think it was a little bit more. There was probably like 6 or 7.
I'll have you know, the most watched video was when we took the BroncoVic to CTN. Has 187,000 views.
But was it a car show?
I mean, we were at a car show.
It was not bots.
It was not what?
Bots.
No, it wasn't
Online bots.
I mean, I guess it's bots. Could be bots.
Was that the main content, though?
Yeah.
Was it the truck show?
Yeah, remember it rained?
Yeah, it rained pretty hard that day.
Now, it was the first time we ever drove the Bronco anywhere.
I'll have to look at that one again.
That was shakedown.
Kerry, didn't you do jazzercise for a while?
Yeah, back in the day. I don't do it much anymore. Bad knees.
Jazzercise or ballet?
Well, I'm all about this life. So I'm not going to say I'm in love, but there's a whole lot of lust going on right now.
She's a dime for sure.
I mean, it's like a go-kart, bro. You're just in here.
So this is a 1959 Ford F250. It was built for the Forest Service. Back in '59, Ford did not make factory crew cabs. They didn't start that until '64, '65. Ford would send it to a coach built company, and they would send a single cab truck with 2 extra front doors, and that coach built company would then build the rest of the cab. So it's a pretty unique truck.
Right, it definitely is. So this is Austin, right?
Yes.
And where are you from, Austin?
Granbury, Texas.
And this truck, as soon as I saw it, I had to come talk to him about it because it's a fridge, and we love those things. Never seen one before. When he pulled in, I actually thought it was like a bit. I thought somebody Frankensteined the thing together. It turns out that that's the way it was. It was a conversion, like you just said.
Correct. So it was a coach built company called Orville.
Okay.
So there were a handful back then. From what I've seen, Orville is maybe the cleanest builds. Other companies would use wood and all kind of sorts of things. They would make them a 3-door truck, but this is a true 4-door crew cab. It is a beast of a truck to drive. It's like driving an old tractor down the road with a steering wheel the size of a school bus, and it's fun. But
so what'd you win?
I won Best Crew Cab.
My guy.
I know. I'm excited. This is my first award for it. So.
Well, I can promise you you're going to get more. I don't know how many shows you've gone to, but this thing it's just, it irks cool. Like, it's badass, dude.
Thank you.
And I wouldn't paint it. I wouldn't do nothing to it.
Oh, no. It is staying as is. Just going to keep it running. So.
Okay. Well, I'm sure our paths will cross again, man. I appreciate you taking the time.
No, I appreciate it.
All right,
Good to see you out here.
We'll see you.
Mugg Customs,
If
representing.
anybody's over there at the stage waiting for the awards, you're in the wrong area.
Okay, so we're leaving, and Kerry decides to leave before the awards. See, Bubba? Because he doesn't have time for that. I'm not.
He's not the award guy.
Didn't even really wash his truck. I literally got cobwebs on me when I leaned up against it.
Could have swore that when he left. Is that thing a 5-speed? Like, did he stall because he doesn't know how to use the clutch? Or
he wins. What did he win? Is it a second place, 61 through 66? Didn't pop his hood. It stalls on him 3 times. Died twice when he left. Like, smelled like antifreeze the whole time. I got out of the BroncoVic and I thought, is it leaking? And then I'm like, oh no, that's Kerry's truck that's leaking antifreeze.
did he do anything since CTN?
No, remember when he blew out the radiator hose?
Like, he's driven it twice, and
we cut the radiator hose with my pocket knife to get him home. I guarantee you he hasn't replaced that hose.
but we love him. I mean, that's why we're talking shit about him, because we love him.
And this is constructive criticism.
We like him too.
I know it doesn't feel like it. That's what this is.
We actually like you.
We couldn't do this channel without him, regardless of what he tells you.
Oh, stop for Mr. Allen.
What? I can't hear you.
We can't hear you!
Is that loud enough?
Need the behaviors.
You want it louder than that?
You got a rev limiter on this thing?
Yeah, 2-step.
Just turned way up.
Oh, okay, I got you. It's a factory rev limiter.
You're down in the middle of the road.
Why don't you go?
One of these big old mirrors, they're gonna knock you out.
I know.
I mean, that's a concussion maker right there, that tag team.
It's loose.
That's just the way they come.
I know. I gotta go get a tent down before I lose all my health.
Okay.
Thank y'all for coming.
Yeah, thank you, Bubba.
Thank you for the donation.
Yeah. Don't thank me.
Good seeing you, Alan.
Thank Art Captain. Bye.
See ya. Why are you mad, Becky?
This is probably not going to end well.
Is this the very, very... Get in there.
They got it boarded off. Excuse me. Oh yeah, this is the class for us. They're going to kick us out of here so fast. Oh, there's some Mustangs. All right, so another year, another Texoma Ford F100 Roundup in the books. Another great show. I don't know what to tell you. If you're not going to this show, I give up. It's really, even if you're not into Fords, it's a phenomenal show. It's fun. It's good atmosphere. Yeah, it's the one show a year I absolutely cannot miss and will not miss. So, had a really good time. Hopefully it was entertaining at least. I know these car show videos can be somewhat boring, kind of like watching someone play golf. That's not near as fun as playing golf as far as I'm concerned. And that's kind of how I feel about the car show videos, and saw lots of good trucks. It's hard to determine what you want to film without just filming every single truck, and nobody wants to watch that either. You know, you get into a deal where you're seeing trucks that you think that somebody else thinks is cool. You may not want to, you know, it may be a truck you're wanting to walk past, and you know, filming something like that is ridiculous. So we tried to do it fun today. We tried to throw in a little fab work before we left, the road trip, the trip back, stopping by Eagles Canyon as a bit, trying to get on that track, which I would love to do, by the way, if anybody that's working there is watching this. The quality of cars that were there yesterday, we weren't even gonna try. You should see the looks we got driving through there in that hunk of crap. So I guess that's it. Not sure what we're gonna work on next. And I think this week I've learned my lesson. I'm not gonna commit to anything because it might change the day we film. So have a good week, and thanks for watching. Share this video with somebody that you love, somebody that you hate. I don't care. Let's just make Kerry aware of the fact that car show videos can be great. So thank you, and have a good week. We'll see you.